Hello darlings, it's Tess. Today I'm going to give you a video tutorial of my signature makeup look, glitter lips. It feels absurd to even say makeup tutorial because that implies that I actually know anything about makeup, and I don't. But the point of this look is that it's something you can do even if you're not that good at makeup, because believe me, if I can do it, you definitely can. It's a great way to essentially trick people into thinking that you're actually good at makeup, as well as making you feel like Ziggy Stardust or some kind of punk fairy creature.
Oh, by the way.
It's not the most practical look. You can't really eat or drink anything, honestly. However, if you're going to a festival or doing a photo shoot or going somewhere where you won't be eating or drinking for a while, it is a really fun look to do. And it pops particularly well in a selfie, frankly. If you're kind of a crafty type with a lot of glitter lying around your house most of the time, then I dare you to try this look out. So here's what you're gonna need. Lip scrub and a base matte liquid lipstick in whatever color you want the look to be. You need glitter in a matching shade that is as fine as you can get, almost powder, because larger glitter won't adhere or feel comfortable as well. Lastly, you need makeup wipes and a setting spray. In case you doubted my makeup non-prowess, my setting spray is literally hairspray, the kind that brushes out, because I don't own any proper setting spray, like the kind from Urban Decay that I know a lot of people have. If you have it, then use it, but if you don't, then break out your hairspray because I can at least tell you that it works. My lipstick is Australis Liquid Lips in the shade Sherbet.
P-U-R-P-L-E purple.
It only costs $12 and does the job perfectly, so you don't need some impossibly fancy thing for this look, just a liquid lip or cream that dries matte, any brand. My little glitter bottle is just from the art store. You need specialist makeup glitter for your eyes because regular glitter might cause irritation, but that's not really the same for lips, so you're fine with using your fine art glitter. It feels weird to say method about this because it's so fast and so easy and I literally made it up on the fly the first time I did it, but let's go with the method. First of all, you need to do all of this before your foundation because the glitter sticks to it like a nightmare. I hope for your sake that you're having a better skin day than me right now. Use the lip scrub to get rid of any dry skin because the uneven surface will become even more uneven and possibly uncomfortable with lipstick and glitter over it. If you don't have any lip scrub, this Lush one I'm using is basically 100% grainy sugar, so use regular sugar if you want, so then it's okay if it gets in your mouth. With your bare face, tap out a tiny bit of the glitter onto your non-dominant hand so you're ready to go. Apply the lipstick to one lip and do it really carefully in the shape you want because any mistakes will mean the glitter sticks to it and looks wonky. Immediately, while it's still wet, dip your fingertip into the glitter so it's covered and pat it gently over the top of the lipstick. Keep going until your whole lip is covered and then wait a second for it to dry, which glues the glitter down. Then use your makeup wipes to carefully clean the edges and catch any glitter that's fallen onto your skin because there's always some. Removing it now means it won't get set by the hairspray or be getting caught in your foundation later on. With all that tidied up, set your first lip with spray so that it's not going to be messed up by applying the other lip. Spray with your lips apart, a few light sprays with the can held a good distance away, and your lips open so they don't stick together, which would ruin the glitter. I won't lie, this can get the taste of the spray in your mouth, which is effing gross, but it won't kill you. You want enough spray coverage to lock the glitter and not have it be falling off, but a really thin layer that won't feel uncomfortable. After this, use a makeup wipe to get all the spray residue off your skin so it also doesn't affect your foundation later. Now, do all this again on your other lip. I prefer doing one at a time because you have to work so quickly after applying the lipstick. There you have it, both lips done and both lips set. Clean your whole face of glitter and spray residue carefully and completely, and then you're ready to apply all your normal makeup. If you want to be able to reapply this look, make sure you have the lipstick, glitter, spray, and ideally some wipes with you. Yay! Ready to glitter up the world and trick everyone into thinking you're good at makeup.
The end.
Now, a word about colours.
Look at the colours.
My favourite thing about this method is that you can do it with any colour you want,
All the colours.
as opposed to just the glitter and lip kits that some brands have been making, including Australis, actually. Buy them if you like, but I guess I'm here to tell you that this look is living proof that you don't need them, and that therefore you're not limited to the shades they give you. This method also has a solid coloured base, so that it looks more polished and not patchy from using only the clear glue they give you in the kits. Your glitter can also be from anywhere, as long as it's fine enough. So look in your craft store to get the smallest kind you can. As well as looking adorable, these little bottles are perfect because the glitter has to be tiny to fit in them at all, so snap them up if you can find them. I only did by chance. All you need is a base that matches your colour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you did. I loved making it because this trick has become my favourite look to do. I would say subscribe for more beauty DIYs, but this is the only one I have, so subscribe for more fun and creativity and glitter used in other ways. I don't know, but see you guys next time. Bye!